Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the 4th week of Lent. We are almost nearing the end of our 40-day Lenten journey. We are also ending the month of March. Soon, we shall welcome April, the 4th month of the year. During Lent, we are invited to fast, particularly from food. Why? Because Jesus commands it. He says we should fast in secret, even look happy and not gloomy. Jesus himself fasted for 40 days. We fast in order to imitate Jesus. It is a sacrifice we do out of love. When we deny ourselves something we enjoy like food, cigarette, ice cream, or internet, it becomes a form of offering. Through this sacrificial offering, we are showing Jesus that He is important, He matters. It becomes a spiritual discipline. When we fast, we exercise our spiritual muscles and our will. We refuse to be dominated or controlled by the needs of our bodies. By giving up even small pleasures, it becomes a way that brings us nearer to Christ. Love is always accompanied by sacrifice. On April 2, we shall celebrate the feast of Saint Pedro Calungsod. He was a student, young migrant, catechist, missionary, faithful friend, and martyr. Let his life inspire us to be faithful in the midst of adversity. His love made him endure hostility with courage. His life is a testament that love conquers all. Once again, let me invite parents, if you have children ages 3 to 5, enroll them in our Lourdes Kinder School or LKS. Be assured that your child will not only learn their basic prayers, but also how to read and write. May our Lenten journey bring us closer to Jesus.